Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going 2.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Total for that one was $6 and change, and got this right away. This is a Starbucks, $10 going 2 miles.
Come in and take care of yourself. All right. You got 2 food items, 2 drinks in there, and straws and stuff. Okay. Thank you very much.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a different Starbucks, $8 going 4 miles. Next order up is a Seize the Bagel going about 6.5 miles. Still on my way to the restaurant, and they give me an add-on going an extra 2 miles.
See you later. Thank you. Do you like matcha?
I don't think I've ever had it before.
It's a tea-based drink. It has milk. The one we have, it's an extra. It has raspberry.
Oh.
Do you want it?
Sure, I'll try it.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Free drink. Let's go. Total for that stack was $23. Oh my goodness. They both tipped really well. Wow. I was not expecting that. 2 really good orders and a free drink. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Next order up is a McDonald's, $7 going 5 miles. Most of the mileage was getting back into town, so not terrible. Oh, and they just gave me an add-on. What is this? Carl's Jr., $10 going an extra 4 miles. I mean, yeah, I'll take it. Also, I still haven't taken a sip out of this drink yet, so let's do that while I'm on my way. Cheers. I'm getting notes of tea, milk, and raspberry. Pretty much what they told me it was going to taste like. Can't say I'm a fan. I don't think I would order this again. I don't like milk, so not for me. There you are. Thank you. Got this order as I was dropping off. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 5 miles, 3 items. Next up, got a Starbucks going 6.5 miles. Go ahead.
Go ahead. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, first have a good one.
You too. It's busy in there, jeez. What does that say? Leave at doorstep. There will be cash tip. Okay, so this is a no tip. Good to know. Well, that was something. one, I didn't expect them to actually have a cash tip outside for me. And two, what was that? What was that petting zoo? Why do they have a zebra? Anyways, let's get out of here. Total for that one was $5 and change plus two, $7 and change. Not really worth it. Or maybe it was, because I got to see those animals. Next order up, got another Starbucks. I think this is going to the same one actually. This one is going 4 miles. Total for that order was $8 and change. Next order up is Del Taco. This one is $6 going 2 miles. Thank you. Got this one as I was dropping off. It is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $10 going 2 miles, 6 items. Next up, got a shop and deliver for Safeway. $9 going 3 miles, only 1 item.
Just one?
Yeah. Yep, just that. Got another shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $13 going 3 miles, 3 items. Got it?
Yeah, got
it. Man, it must suck to live there. All that traffic right in front of your house. I'm starving, so time to go home. Current time is 10:07. Current total is, I actually don't know, and I can't check. But I'll throw it up for you guys whenever I get the chance. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. Is this gate not open? There we go. Bye.